Hello everyone, we Renewable Mirror Magazine is here at the 18th edition of Renewable Energy India Expo 2025, and today we are talking with the exhibitors to know how India's renewable energy landscape is evolving. So let's start with a thoughtful conversation, and today we have Mr. Vivekanand Jha, Technical Head India from Solex Power. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good too, sir. So my first question to you would be, as we all know that Solex Power, what is Solex Power? But still, I request you to tell our viewers that what is Solex Power and what is their vision and mission.
Solex Power is inverter manufacturer and our manufacturing unit in China, Hangzhou. And at present, we have 80 gigawatt plus manufacturing capacity. We are manufacturing on-grid inverter, hybrid inverter for C&I segment, residential segment and utility segment. Apart it, we have micro inverters for residential segment.
Okay, sir. So, have you launched something new in this RAI Expo 2025?
We have launched this BESS solution. So this here you can see the miniature model of BESS solution. And we are offering 2.5 megawatt PCS unit with 5 megawatt hour battery bank capacity. And its output is 11 kV or 33 kV.
Okay, sir. So, as we all know that India is stepping forward towards greener future. So, how Solex Power is contributing in it?
We are offering solar inverters for on-grid hybrid system. As you know, PM Surya Ghar Yojana offering subsidy for hybrid projects. So we have single phase hybrid inverter from 3 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt, low voltage, 48 volt system. So that is very aggressive product for residential segment. And for C&I segment, we have AC coupling solution, DC coupling solution. So we have the complete product range for green energy solution.
Okay, sir. So, what new key trends or innovations Solex Power is adopting?
For on-grid inverter, we have enhanced the MPPT current rating like 20 ampere, 40 ampere MPPT current rating. And for utility segment, we have a utility inverter with 6 MPPT, 75 ampere per MPPT current rating with auto disconnector DC switch. And if we talk about the best solution, so as I told, AC coupling solution like at 0.5 C calculation with liquid cooling forced air cooling system mechanism. For DC coupling, 0.25 C calculation, liquid cooling, forced air cooling, and here the best solution for utility segment.
Okay, so what growth Solex Power have seen from previous RAI Expo 2024?
Last year we observed utility inverter requirement, but this time, this REI, we got a lot of inquiries about the best solution, and we hope our new product will be suitable for best projects.
So my last question to you would be, how you balancing technical solutions with business strategies?
Because we are expanding our service team and the infrastructure to maintain to cater the service on time, service replacement and the solution on time. And like as I told, the product ranges, those are covering all the requirements. So we are focusing on such kind of solutions.